In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use unique function in Microsoft Excel. The unique function is a simple but very useful Excel feature that returns a list of distinct values from a selected range or array. In other words, if your data contains repeated entries, unique automatically removes the duplicates and gives you a clean list with each value shown only once. This is especially helpful when you're working with names, categories, product lists, or any column that may contain repeated information. To see how it works, let's go through a quick example using a list of names. Imagine you have several names entered in cells A2 through A7, and some of those names appear more than once. Instead of manually scanning the list and removing duplicates yourself, Excel can do the work for you instantly with one formula. Start by clicking on cell C2. This is where the results will appear. It's a good idea to choose an empty area of the worksheet before using the unique function, because the formula can return multiple results and fill them into the cells below automatically. This behavior is sometimes called a spilled array, which simply means Excel places each unique value into its own cell in a vertical list. Once cell C2 is selected, enter the formula equals unique, open parenthesis, A2 colon A7 close parenthesis. Written normally, that is unique A2 A7. This tells Excel to look at the values in the range from A2 to A7 and return only the distinct entries from that selection. After typing the formula, press enter. Excel will immediately generate a new list starting in C2, showing each name only once. If a name appeared multiple times in the original range, it will appear just one time in the results. This makes it much easier to create clean summaries or prepare your data for further analysis. One helpful tip is to make sure the cells underneath C2 are empty before you press enter. If something is already in the way, Excel may not be able to display the full result. Also, if your original list changes later, the unique results can update automatically, which makes this function even more convenient for dynamic worksheets. That's the basic process for using the unique function in Microsoft Excel. It's a fast and efficient way to extract distinct values without sorting manually or deleting duplicates by hand. Once you get comfortable with it, you'll find plenty of situations where it can save time and keep your spreadsheets much cleaner.